friends! Welcome to my kitchen. I am going to flip my kitchen from fall to Christmas. I'm so excited because I've got some new ideas that I've never done in here before. I'm changing up the theme a little bit. So come with me while we snowflake and of course plaid this kitchen up. Let's do it. I already put some wrapping paper on the back wall behind the stove. I'm gonna try to put the wrapping paper on the mantle also, so stick with me. Okay, well, I couldn't decide on wrapping paper, so I just bought a bunch. I'm gonna wrap these boxes and they're gonna go on top of my cabinets. I wrapped a bunch of presents. I'm gonna put them up on top of my cabinets. Let's see how they look. I'm ready. Woo! Present number one. Stick that up there. Okay. I need another one. Woohoo! Santa! Wrapping of the gifts is complete. I can still add a few bows, but I just grabbed a bunch of wrapping paper that kind of went together and threw them up here. Wrapped them up. I finished this side over the oven. Finished my gifts on the top there. Put some snowflakes on the cabinets. I used double-sided sticky tape that I use to hold photos in place. A little trail of white trees and some greenery. Oh, I did also wrap the mantle because it's unfinished. I was able to. I'm moving around the corner of my kitchen and I'm going to work on this window. I already put a tension rod up there. So if you watched our outdoor porch video, Linette had accidentally bought a shower curtain at Hobby Lobby and she decided to go ahead and use it and cut it. So I am going to copy that idea and I'm going to cut this in half and I'm going to hang it up on that rod. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so I had a tension rod up there. I fiddled with that for a while and I could not get the curtains to hang right. The best thing I came up with was 6 thumbtacks right above the holes for the shower curtain. I just popped them into my ceiling. I added some garland to the top. It was just old garland I had. A few little picks in there. It has like little pine cones on them. And now I'm going to do the windowsill. I had an inspiration picture that I wanted to do and I will show you that. So I added this and I did 7 items on the windowsill just so that we have an odd number. Just got the 2 red mugs on the end at Dollar Tree, the little stands at Hobby Lobby, and the other 2 mugs at Burlington. Okay, this is my paper towel holder and I didn't love that it was plain white, so I'm going to try to wrap it. What I did was just cut an X in some wrapping paper and I'm gonna slide it down over. And then I'm gonna wrap it around the edges of the bottom. I'll show you when it's done. Okay, it literally took me like 30 seconds to just wrap that around the bottom and tape it. Dropping my paper towel on, and that's it. Just adds a little pop there to make it look a little more Christmassy. Okay, I have this tray that I usually use for fruit. I think I'm gonna put some paper in the bottom of it, some wrapping paper, and then I'm gonna set it up on my counter. Okay, I think I kind of finished this counter. Added the snowflakes. I think the snowflakes and the wrapped gifts at the top are kind of my favorite new thing that I put up. Easy. I used wrapping paper like crazy. It's like my favorite thing this time. I put the wrapping paper on the tray and I had these snowflakes that I just stuck in there. Gonna start this table with a sparkly trimmed placemat that I found. I think I got these at Ross. I'm going to add a plaid plate. I got the plaid plates at Dollar Tree. I couldn't pass them up, $1.25. And then I found these snowflakes because, you know, I seem to be a bit of a snowflake fan and plaid fan. I'm going to just set these on top of the plate. And you know what? I think these can be used as coasters also. So when my family says, why is the table all set for fancy? I can say, just move the plate and use the snowflake as a coaster. Woohoo! It's a win. Okay, I just finished the table. But I did find this. This is a table runner that I bought at Dollar Tree, $1.25. I think I might have to go back and get 3 more of those and then get some little sprigs of greenery or something to put inside the little bow there. But I really like that, $1.25. How can you beat that? Chair makeover for really cheap. So this is what I did with the table. I just put the plate, little snowflake, and I keep my Browns picture out because I like it. And then my sister got me the winter welcome lantern, and I just put some sprigs in that. Those are from Hobby Lobby, and are just a little red candle. Okay, I'm gonna start my island, and I had this basket that I always put out there with like napkins and a picture in it, and I'm gonna put wrapping paper. You know, I'm just turning these trays that I have that are just regular trays into Christmas, which I love. So I just I just traced the bottom of this, cut it a little bit shorter, and I'm just sticking the paper in. Guys, it's easy. You don't have to make it perfect. It just adds a little bit of color and dimension to the basket and makes it look Christmas. So now I'm going to put I'm going to try this. I found this snowflake ribbon, I guess it's called. It was with the ribbon at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to put this around the outside of the basket. Basket with the snowflake ribbon around it. I just cut a piece and then stapled it on the other end together. Super quick, super easy. I think I want to try something down here on the bottom. I will give you one guess what it might be. I'm going a little cuckoo with the wrapping paper, but I'm telling you, it is a cheap, easy way to really decorate. I'll show you what I did, and then I'm going a little nuts. I had a little bit of wrapping paper left, so I'm gonna cover my little covers because they're on the ends of my island. So, just gonna cover those real quick. I have this little coffee area. I'm going to change this over to Christmas and make it like a hot chocolate bar. Coffee, hot cocoa bar, more coffee than cocoa. Kitchen is all done. Just give you a little tour. Got the snowflakes on the cabinets. This is the wall I started with. I have wrapping paper behind above the stove there in a little inset area. Wrapped presents up top. A couple little things. I wrapped the mantle also. Then I got the window that I did. I put the curtains in, the actual shower curtain, and some trees, various trees and mugs. I wrapped my bottom of my paper towel holder. Presents at the top and snowflakes. And this was a tray I had. I put wrapping paper inside of it. And added this rug in front of my kitchen sink, kitchen table. I added these Dollar Tree table runners. I just wrapped them, tied them around my stools, and dangled some little bell ornaments from them. Dollar Tree plates with little snowflakes on top that I think can be used for coasters. Just added a little greenery to this lantern that my sister got me. Wrapped a picture I had up above the windows, the door. Island has just a little picture that I'm gonna put something in on top of that plaid. A little tray with snowflakes and a little gingerbread man. And then I put wrapping paper on the front of my island. And I think it looks pretty cute. Wrapping paper crazy. Found these little wreaths at the Dollar Tree. I just stuck them around I just snipped them and stuck them around my light fixture. And I wrapped my door with a bow. And then the hot cocoa bar. And that is the kitchen. Thank you for joining me. I'm gonna turn out a light because it's kind of bright. I appreciate you watching today. I hope you got some good tips. I obviously went wrapping paper crazy, but I'm so excited about it. I might have to take it into some other rooms. Who knows? But thank you for watching. You go out and you find your passion today.